Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you something quite simple. It's just a remote shutdown command in command prompt you can do on computers within your local area network. If you don't understand what a local area network is, go and have a read up about it. It's basically any computers you have sort of in your building, so to speak. But of course there can be variations depending on how the network is set up. Anyway, I'm not going to go into it. But basically, all to do the remote shutdown command is simply shutdown -I, which will bring up this this interface here, this GUI here. What you can do is you can add your computers in here, so you can either add them, I believe you can add them by IP address as well. So if you wanted to add, if you knew your the IP address of the computer in question, you can add it that way. I always tend to add a computer by its host name, so for example Michael05. You can also add numerous PCs, so Michael06 as well. So we go add. What do you want these computers to do? Obviously you can decide shutdown, restart, annotate unexpected shutdown. You can either choose to warn users of this action, to warn them. The warning I'll show you in a moment. I'll try it myself. The warning just comes up sort of with a red cross saying, you know, shutdown has been initiated. Please save all your work, and you can have a custom message in this field down here, and the message also states whatever you pick here. So let me just show you this in question. Let me just cancel that for a moment. So I'll just delete these guys. Also, another thing, before I show you the actual shutdown, I'm going to show you how to see what computers are in your local area network, so you can see what you can shut down, what you can't. So I've opened up another command prompt here, so I'm just going to simply type in netview. So if we type in netview, it's going to look over the local area network, and it's going to give you this here. I'll just mark it quickly. It's going to give you this here, these names, and you're always going to see a backslash beforehand. So you're always going to see that, but this is the host name. This is the name you're going to type into computers. So Michael02 is actually my computer right now, but I'm gonna shut down my computer. Well, not shut it down. I'm going to cancel it, but just to show you what it looks like. So if we select my computer, so Michael02, and we'll go for a shutdown, and we're going to warn myself for a minute. We're going to give a minute's notice, and there is a security issue, and I'm going to say, excuse me, you have a large virus on your system. Give me your credit card details, please. Okay, so I'm going to click OK on that. Here's what comes up. You're about to be logged off. Excuse me, and then here's the custom message I gave. Excuse me, you have a large virus on your system. Please give me your credit card details, please. Now that's going to be ticking away in the background, and the user won't know about it until it's actually started shutting down. But I'm going to abort mine quickly. So the command for that is shutdown -A. And I've just got a notification that logoff is cancelled. Okay, so you can see there that the message came up, the custom message came up. I clicked OK, and it's still running in the background. So what we'll now discuss is shutdown parameters. Basically, you can also do the command from just the command line. So you'll type in shutdown, you'll put your, so do you want to shut down /s, shut down the computer, shutdown /r, restart, and you'll specify that. But really the main two commands you need to know, shutdown minus I, shutdown minus A to abort. Now sometimes the command doesn't actually work. The computer might be behind a firewall and it'll just block it, in which case there's not going to be much you can do about that other than going over to the computer and turning off the firewall. But if that's not viable, then there's not going to be a way of getting around that at all. So anyway, I hope that helps, guys. It's a little bit of fun to play on your colleagues or your mates at all. Yeah, it's a little bit of fun to play, but obviously don't go over the top because they start getting really pissed off, and if they get any unsaved work, then it's going to be a nightmare. But anyway, guys, if you have any comments, leave them in the comment box and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.